Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change team in eFootball. So it's pretty simple. So after you open eFootball, you can see the option called Game Plan. Click on Game Plan. And on Game Plan, you can see your team's logo at the left corner. So my team is AC Milan, so I need to click on the logo of AC Milan. After I click on it, the second last option, where it says base team setting, I need to click on that. After I click on that, it's going to take me over here. Now at the top, it says base team. So my base team is AC Milan. So I need to click on base team, and after I click on base team, it's going to ask me to choose the continent. So I want a team which is on the European continent, so I will click on Europe. Now I have to choose the league. So I'm going to choose the English league, and from the English league, I'm going to choose Manchester United. After I choose the team, I can click on done, and I can click on back. And basically my team will be changed just like this. So that is how you guys can change team in eFootball. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future eFootball related videos just like this. And if you guys have any question, you can ask me in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.